Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Life and Tech channel. Today I'm here with another video. Today I will show you some features of Apple Airpod Pro. You see this nice, very cute Airpod Pro. Now let's get into the settings. Okay. Airpod Pro has so many features. Let's start with some basics. When you're connecting with this Airpod Pro with your iPad mini or um, phone, it will just pop up, and it has some physical features. I will show you those first, then I'll move into some other features. Okay. uh, to get those features, you must have to go to the Bluetooth settings and then the connected device. Now when you're playing a music, say this one is the left one and this is right AirPod Pro. So let me show you a music first. You see, I think you can see now. When you're playing a music, you want to listen to the music, you just press and hold this button. Okay, you must I'm putting an ear on my ear first. Now it is connected. This is the left one. Okay, if you want to change the track, you just have to press it. Here is a pressing button. You just need to press it and it will say this music. When you are pressing once, it will automatically play the song, the left one. And if you want to press, if you press twice, say I'm pressing twice, it will take you back to previous track. Okay, if you press 3 times, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, it will bring you back, sorry, it will repeat the track. So there are three, so let me summarize. There are three physical ways you can change the track. Step one, if you press once, it will play and pause the music. If you press twice, it will take you to the next track, and if you press 3 times, then it will repeat the song, or it will play the previous song. Okay, now let's talk about the right one. As you know that AirPod Pro has active noise cancellation features. So if you press and hold this right one for a while, then it will physically activate your active noise cancellation feature. Otherwise, you can actually enable this one from the menu as well. Say from here, I think you can see. From here you can press, and if you press this button, it will activate noise cancellation and transparency mode. So now I will talk about some other features. Let's get into the settings. You can see, so from here you can also change some settings. First of all, you must you get the settings of AirPod sound. Now I will show you the physical features. Physical means from the menu what you can change. So first you have to go to accessibility. You can see accessibility. From there you find AirPods, and now here you can change some features. Say this one, default press speed. When you're pressing this one, so left or right one, AirPods, so the speed of this press you can change it from here. So I kept the default one. Then press and hold duration. This feature actually works for the when you are turning on the active noise cancellation feature. So you can select the pace from here, and the other function, the last one, is noise cancellation with one AirPod. So say you are on call with someone and you are using one AirPod and another one is inside the box. So if you want to active noise cancellation feature, you don't have to put on both AirPods, and just use one and hold and press, and active noise cancellation feature will be enabled. But if you turn off this feature, you have to wear both, and after that only you can change it. So this is another feature. Let me show you another thing. From control center you can bring some feature directly to here, drop down center, to the control center. From here, say if you want to add AirPod Pro's feature directly in the control center. You don't want to go find settings and then control center. You just want to hit once and want to get the things right there. Say this one, like this. So from here you can add or remove your favorite things or frequent things you used every day. Those are the things. You can see I have added some stuffs here which I basically use more. Let me tell you one feature. Is like music recognition, is Shazam. So this is Shazam. If you want to say you're listening to a music and you want to know which music it is, you just say Shazam and hey Siri, say Shazam, and then it will eventually will let you know the details of that song. Oh, another feature I would like to say, when you have two AirPods connected, the right one, press and hold. When you're pressing hold the right one, it will activate a noise cancellation feature, but if you hold and press the left one, then it will activate Siri. If you hold and press this one for a while, it will activate Siri. So guys, I think this video will helpful for you if you are using AirPod Pro. If you have any question, please write down below the comment section. I will definitely answer. So for today, I wish you all the best and have a nice day. See you later.